What is hustle? Born in the 70s, is actually one of the most popular party dances used today.
Okay, so the hustle dance is one of those, like he said, dances we can dance at a party to faster, upbeat music. So any song in 4/4 timing, you can use the hustle dance. It's a faster dance, it doesn't travel too much, it's very rotary, so it stays on the spot, and it's perfect and meant for parties.
Ballroom hustle or partner hustle is not the cheesy old point your fingers, do this kind of thing. It's a very structured but really fun partner dance that we use together all the time. Probably the number one dance we use if we go out to a wedding or to some other party, because you can use it to so much fast music, but it's a great partner dance to learn.
And if you're interested in learning the hustle dance, we have a syllabus up for you. We have our free moves down below, and we also have some more advanced variations up on our website for you, so be sure to check those out. And enjoy dancing the hustle. Bye.